Alright, Derek, I'm off to the store. You want anything?
I don't think that's a good idea.
I don't get it. Why shouldn't I go?
That's because mad people went to the store yesterday and the shelves are empty. You're not even gonna get anything in there.
Man, stop tripping. I'll be in there now. I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Alright, just gotta eat this last box of cinnamon toast crunch. No, sweet mother God! All the shelves are empty. It's a snowstorm, not an apocalypse.
Yoink!
Hey, yo? Dude, bro, where you going?
Oh!
Damn. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I gotta take this off your hands. Yo, it is 2 in the afternoon. Why are you fighting me over peanut butter?
I don't know. I'll tell you when I find out, though.
Find out? Bro, give me my peanut butter right now.
Hell nah.
That really just left. Bro, I just wanted stuff for my house. I just wanted food, man. I should have stayed home.